Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to buy coins on Coinbase wallet. First of all, you can open the Coinbase wallet application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on search at the top right corner of the screen that is next to the QR code option. After this, you can just simply select the cryptocurrency and search for the cryptocurrencies that you want to buy. I can search Tone, and after searching the Tone I can select this coin, and after selecting the coin you can just simply see the option buy. Tap on buy, and after tapping on buy you can just simply enter the information that required, and after entering the information you can enter the payment method and enter the amount that you want to buy a coin on Coinbase wallet. And if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.